Pasta with a delicate sauce and a delicious cheese crust. Everyone should cook pasta with cheese. This version of the meal has a particularly rich and intense cheesy flavor. No wonder why Americans love this mac and cheese so much. It's hearty, delicious, easy, and simple to make. To cook it, you will need macaroni 300 grams, Sheese 200 grams, 100 grams of mozzarella, salt to taste, butter 45 grams, wheat flour 45 grams, milk 400 milliliters, nutmeg, pinch to taste. To begin, you need to prepare the necessary ingredients to prepare the macaroni and cheese American style. Macaroni can be any shape, preferably it should be hollow on the inside. I have feathers. You can take two kinds of hard cheese with different flavors, mozzarella and hard cheese. I have mozzarella and Maasdam. How does the macaroni boil properly? Take a large saucepan and pour water at the rate of 1 liter of water per 100 grams of pasta. Put salt to taste. It is important to put the pasta exactly in boiling water, otherwise, it can clump together. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it becomes al dente. Always check the package for the cooking time. Drain the finished pasta in a strainer and allow it to drain. Do not rinse the pasta with water. Shred the cheese on a medium grater. Grate mozzarella in the same way. At the same time with the pasta, prepare the bechamel sauce with cheese. Melt butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir in the flour, over a low heat for 1-2 minutes, stirring all the time. In a thin stream pour uncool milk, while vigorously stirring the mixture to break up the flour lumps. You can use a whisk. Over low heat, stirring frequently, bring sauce to a boil and slightly thicken it. Add the nutmeg and stir. Add the grated cheeses. Save some of the hard cheese for the top of the pasta. Stir everything thoroughly until the cheese is completely melted. The sauce is thick, smooth, and viscous. Take the ready sauce off the heat. In a convenient container, combine macaroni and cheese sauce and stir. Place macaroni in a baking dish greased with a small piece of butter. You can use one large dish or several portions. Sprinkle the macaroni on top with the remaining hard cheese. Bake the macaroni and cheese in a preheated 180°C oven for about 20 minutes. Macaroni and cheese can also be made without baking in the oven. Just mix the cooked macaroni with the sauce and sprinkle with cheese. But, in our opinion, it is the baked cheese crust that gives the macaroni such a rich flavor. Serve the mac and cheese hot. Bon appétit!